natural sa akin pero hindi ako magaling. No, ngayon, gumaling ako. Ulitin ko, gustong-gusto mong ginagawa. Ako magturo, kumuda, mag-entertain. Gustong-gusto ko yan. Magaling ako, oo, gustong natural sa akin. I have to tell you, as a little child, I was a Sunday school teacher, but not the main character. Laging on the side. Pero gustong-gusto ko, feeling ko teacher ako. Pero never ako naging bida. From grade school, high school, hanggang college, Sunday school teacher ako. Daily Vacation Bible School, nandyan ako parati, but never the main man. Bakit? Natural sa akin, pero hindi ako magaling. No, ngayon, gumaling ako. So when I was still in Philips, I don't know any of our product. I don't know. I mean, seriously, I have very little knowledge about our business. But what I did in our company is said, okay, I want to do this. Okay, can you give me a role? So doon pa lang na-develop na ang aking seminar and training and passion. That's why I was able to acquire a lot of knowledge, skills, and experience. Up until I met, that's where I gave up everything because I went into this community, I went into this organization, I went into mentorship.